Okay, TA 346 pack fans, this one needs no introduction. I have featured this car before, and it is back here courtesy of Mr. Norm Vanderveen here at the Music City Mopar Show, Nashville, Tennessee. And yes, you are looking at original Survivor, unrestored, numbers matching, 346 pack, 4-speed transmission, 391 gear in the rare DY3 cream color with the saddle tan and the Hurst pistol grip hammer console mounted. Taking a look in here, you'll see that it is indeed unrestored with patina aplenty. But this car came out originally out of Orange County, California, the LA area. Norm bought this car in 1976 and has faithfully preserved it in its current form, and it is in remarkable condition. Mainly because it came out of California, and then also when Norm bought it, it went into enclosed storage and never saw rain, salt, or anything. This is as it came from the factory, and is probably one of the absolute best Survivors that you're going to see, folks. Look at that saddle tan interior. It's a standard dash car, standard wheel, but look at that console mounted 4-speed.
It's just like this, except okay, yeah, it goes all the way.
As you can see, the original cream paint, original condition, well preserved. 63,000 miles. And everyone knows this is Norm's baby. And certainly it should be, because, man, he has done one hell of a nice job in preserving this car. And there you have it, folks. Factory original, unrestored. And here's a picture of him from Talladega when he went out to the Wellborn Museum. And he's crossing the finish line on the Talladega Speedway. Very nice. This is Gauze Garage coming to you from Music City Mopars in an unrestored 63,000 mile original TA Challenger. Thank you very much.